Hey everyone! Today I'm going to walk you through how to investigate ChatGPT activity in Google Workspace. If you're a cybersecurity expert, you know how crucial it is to keep track of all the integrations within your organization's environment. Let's dive in. With ChatGPT's latest updates, users can now add files directly from Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive. This sounds great, but it also opens up a host of cybersecurity challenges. So, how can you find out if employees have enabled the integration between ChatGPT and Google Drive? And how can you monitor which files have been accessed? First off, head to the Google Workspace Admin Console. From there, navigate to Reporting, then to Audit and Investigation, and finally to Drive Log Events. Here you'll see a list of Google Drive resources accessed. This is your first step in identifying any ChatGPT-related activity. You can also dig deeper by investigating activity via API calls. Go to Reporting, then Audit and Investigation, and check out Oath log events. While this method is effective, it provides insights after the activity has already happened. To gain real-time alerts and more comprehensive insights, you can leverage tools like Nudge Security. Nudge Security discovers all accounts created by anyone in your organization for any SaaS application, including ChatGPT, without requiring any prior knowledge of the tool's existence. Nudge Security surfaces your entire organization's OAuth grants, such as those granted to ChatGPT. This includes a filterable OAuth dashboard that provides activity and risk insights. Filter by category to see all grants associated with AI tools. Click on a grant to review a risk profile, details on who created the grant, access details, scopes granted, and more. You can then send a nudge to the creator of the grant via Slack or email to take specific actions, like limiting the scope of the grant. Or you can immediately revoke the grant from within the Nudge Security interface. Finally, set up custom rules to notify you when a user at your organization creates an OAuth grant for ChatGPT or any other Gene AI app. You can also create rules to be alerted immediately when new Gene AI accounts are created. Balancing productivity with security is crucial. While the integration of ChatGPT with Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive offers immense potential for improving productivity, it also opens the door to significant security risks. Organizations must approach these integrations with a clear understanding of the potential risks and implement proper governance and security measures. Nudge Security provides the visibility, context, and automation needed to help businesses adopt Gen AI tools without compromising data security. Thanks for watching and stay secure.